Hey guys, I've got multiple things to talk to you about today, but I couldn't fit it all in the title, so let's just take it one thing at a time. These earrings I have on are from Spirit, you know, the Halloween chain store that pops up this time of year. Well, I bought these, they've got bats and coffins with crosses on them, and then I converted them over to um, earrings that I could wear because my ears are not pierced. So sometimes what I'll do is I'll buy a pair of earrings and take the stud things off and then add the clip-ons myself to convert them over. So they're from Spirit, but I doctored them so that I can wear them. And then I've got my glasses on because I've got this problem with, see the red on my eye. I don't know what is going on. I switched my laundry detergent, but I think the reason why it's not healing is because um, I keep putting makeup on it to try to cover it up for my videos so that I don't have to wear my glasses. But what I'm going to try to do is for the next few days, I'm not going to put any makeup on my eyes and try to get this to heal because I've got some things that I want to show you and talk to you about and demonstrate, but I can't because I can't put anything on my eyes right now. So we'll get to that as soon as we can. But in the meantime, uh, I talked about my nail polish in a recent video. I had been using the, I had to grab the other one. I had been using the Wet n Wild collection from last year's Scooby-Doo collection, and it's the Wet n Wild Fast Dry formula. And I was talking about how they also have this as a permanent line of polish, but it's very hard to find, and it's at certain CVS stores. So I went to one of those CVS stores over the weekend, and I bought a couple from that line. I bought the blue and the purple. The blue is called Putting On Airs, and it's like a navy blue. I have it on my nails right now. But this polish is unbelievable, you guys, the quality of it. I have no base coat and no top coat, and it lasts for 5 days before you start to get tip wear. And if you wrapped the polish onto the tips, it might even last longer than that, but I just can't be bothered doing that because it's kind of awkward to do that. But yeah, it dries in 40 seconds. So what I do is 2 coats. I do a coat, wait 40 seconds, which is not long, obviously, and then do a second coat, and then I'm good for 5 days. So I got the blue, yeah, Putting On Airs is what I'm wearing, but I also got the purple, which is called Married into Royalty. And when I got home and looked at it, I was like, oh my God, I think this is the same polish as the So Frank and Cute from the Scooby-Doo collection, right? Doesn't that look exactly the same? So if you missed out on that Scooby-Doo nail polish set, the purple is easily available. Well, not easily because it's very few CVSs that seem to have this. And if you go on the CVS website to look for this polish and you find a CVS that has it, it's not in the regular Wet n Wild section. It is a freestanding cardboard display. It's probably going to be somewhere near the regular Wet n Wild section, but it might not be. It could be anywhere in the store. And they have all the polishes on that. So just wanted to let you know about that because this polish formula is fantastic compared to most polishes that are out there. All right, so the thing that we're really talking about in today's video is Nyx released their Beetlejuice collection, which I guess is going to be their Halloween collection for this year. And I took a look at it. It's at Ulta and CVS, and it's, from what I can tell, very slow to release at CVS. There is one CVS in my area that has it, but I bought it at Ulta because I didn't want to mess around looking for the right CVS to go to. So I went to Ulta yesterday. They put it out, And wow, this is going to go fast, you guys, because I got there within an hour of Ulta opening yesterday, and they didn't have much left on the display. I was shocked. But the thing that I wanted was one of the lip glosses. They're, um, it says, it just says Beetlejuice, and these are their swirl lip glosses. So the one I wanted is black and white swirl, and what do you get? Gray. I've never tried a gray lip gloss in my life. Right in the middle of this on the container, it says Sandworm Swirl in swirly letters. It took me the longest time to find that because I was like, why isn't it written on there? It is. It's written right on the front in the center in swirly letters, so it makes it kind of hard to read. But yeah, I had never tried gray lip gloss before, so I came home, I had a thought in my head of the best way to wear this, tried it out, and was blown away how much I loved it. So I'm going to do that with you today. So what I did was I started with a black liner. Now in last year's LA Colors Halloween collection, the Fantasy Makers, they had a black, whoa, they had a black lip liner in that collection, but if you didn't get that, there are two brands that have black liners in their permanent lineup that you can get any time of year. And I would strongly suggest that you pick one up because there's a lot you can do with this in terms of lip combos. So it's good to have a black liner. So what I'm going to do today is show you how I wear this gray lip gloss, but I was blown away, you guys. I loved it so much that I'm seriously considering going and getting a backup of this lip gloss. I love it so much. So what I did yesterday was I lined my lips with the black lip liner. Oh, I didn't even tell you. The two companies that have black liners in their line permanently are Wet n Wild has one and NYX has one. The NYX one is called Alien and it's part of the Suede line. Um, and the Wet n Wild one, I think is, let's see, what is the name of it? Is it just called Black? No, I don't think so, but you can look it up anyway. You should be able to find it on their website. So I'm just lining my lips with this LA Colors black liner. I love spooky season, you guys, Halloween season. I have some things from Wet n Wild and LA Colors that I want to show you and demonstrate with you if I can get the skin on my eye to heal. Um, so I'm not going to put any makeup on my eyes, and I have a feeling if I do that, it's going to probably be gone in a very short amount of time. But I kept trying to cover it up in my video so I wouldn't have to wear my glasses, and ended up, creating more of a problem because of it, because it was just irritating it. Okay, so I filled in with the black, but you can see it's more concentrated on the bottom, so I'm going to blend my lips together now. So I get an even amount on both lips. Okay, now wait until you see how pretty this is going to look with the gray over that. And see, it doesn't even look black. It looks more like a reddish black, I guess you would say. This smells so nice, you guys. I would say vanilla. And the end result, I'm blending it again with just with my lips. to kind of merge it into that black. But I love this. I don't even know what you would call this. It's almost like a purpley burgundy gray black. I wish you could see it in real life because it's so much prettier in real life than the camera is picking it up. But I love, love, love this. And this goes perfectly with what I decided to do for blush today. I'm still working with my bag of stuff that expires in September. So what did I do with it? Oh, I stuck it in here. I'm a little discombobulated today, and I'll tell you why in a second. This is the Lottie London Vampire Diaries collection that came out last year. It's one of those pH color changing blushes. It just says pH color changing lip and cheek stick. So this is what I have on for blush today. But yeah, I've been really working on using this stuff that's supposed to be expiring in September. I've been wearing a lot of it this month in August. And I think what I might do is, since it expires in September, is why not actually throw it out the last day of September instead of September 1st? Because I could get a whole nother month's use out of this stuff because I love so many of the things that are in here. I've got the Wet n Wild Fantasy Makers blush from last year. I've got the LA Colors holographic iridescent lip gloss, which is absolutely stunning. And I've got a black lipstick and a red lipstick from LA Colors Halloween collection last year. And I've got, do you remember the Wednesday Addams makeup collection that came out at Walmart last year? I've got the lip liners. There's a red, and then I don't even know what you would call this, like a plum. Those are really nice. I've got those, and I've got the Blend Bunny stuff, which I've been leaving comments in the description box about that when I wore those Blend Bunny liquid lipsticks. They're on sale on their website for $5, you guys, and they're a really good liquid lipstick formula. The liners have been discontinued for a while that I wear with those, but yeah, those are really good. So I think I'm just going to keep that stuff for the whole month of September and keep incorporating it into my looks because I really like a lot of that stuff. I've got the Milani lipsticks that I had one on in yesterday's video. Those are really nice too. But anyways, yeah, this color, I don't know why it's adhering more to my bottom lip, maybe because my bottom lip is bigger. I don't know, but I wish you could see this color in person. It's so unique, and it's sort of a blend of like 4 different colors. I really like it. But yeah, this was the only thing I wanted from that NYX collection, only because the eyeshadow palette is quite similar to a palette that I bought just recently from Profusion. Remember the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles palette that I bought recently? Let me grab it and show you. And they actually still have this at Walmart because Walmart recently redid the Profusion section, and oh, I can't, I kept it in the cardboard cover and now I can't get it off. Oh, what is going on here? Hold on. Wow, that was really stuck. Yeah, I had bought this recently, and when I looked at that NYX eyeshadow palette, and I came home and looked at this, I said, you know what? Almost all the colors that are in that NYX one are in this one. It was greens and purples, basically. I think there was like a black and a gray, but I'm sure I could pull in a black and a gray from another palette. But yeah, this has got all the greens and purples in it, so I said that would be stupid to buy that NYX one when I have this. You know, I'm trying to use more of what I've got rather than to keep buying things that have the same color stories, you know. So it just, and plus it will save me, I think it was $18 for the next one. And I already had this, so why not just use those? So the gray lip gloss from the new NYX collection was really the only thing I wanted. I want to look at things and only buy them if they're unique. Now, having said that, when I do get around to doing my video showing you the new things that I got from Wet n Wild, you're going to say, oh boy, then why did you buy that? Because that's not unique at all. But we'll talk about that at the time. But yeah, I'm kind of discombobulated today because I'm trying to hurry and rush through this because we are supposed to get a bad storm this afternoon, like thunderstorms, wind, hail, and so I have somewhere I have to go, so I want to hurry up and get this up on YouTube, and go where I need to go before that storm hits. So hopefully it won't be too bad. Um, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry if I seem a bit distracted today, but I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. You know what to do.